Again, welcome to the 14th brand anniversary celebration of Go Hotels here in Go Hotels Timog!
April 4, 2010 nag-start po ang Go Hotels. Roxaco Asia Hospitality Corporation, ang franchisee of Go Hotels. Okay, ang unang branch po natin nag-open is Go Hotels Manila Airport Road. That was September 30, 2016. Followed by Go Hotels North EDSA na nag-open ko ng December 30, 2016. Then third po is Go Hotels Ermita, nag-open ng June 2, 2017. And Go Hotels Timog na nag-open ng October 13, 2017.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's my pleasure to welcome everybody and to stand before you today to express our sincere gratitude to our esteemed clients who have been instrumental to the success of our company, the Roxaco Asia Hospitality Corporation. And first and foremost, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our distinguished and reputable clients and partners. Hindi ko na kayo may isa-isa, but thank you so much for being here. Your presence is a testament of our strong relationship, of the strong foundation of our partnership.
Thank you so much, operations, for giving us wonderful, and of course, na sabi nga ni Miss CJ, nakakataba ng puso na video. And thank you so much po sa pagtulong din and initiative nyo sa community natin.
Thank you for honoring us with your presence during this special gathering. Your steadfast dedication and confidence in our services throughout the challenges of 2023 have been truly invaluable. On behalf of Roxaco Asia Hospitality Corporation, the sales and marketing team, our operations managers, our area operations manager, Mr. Januar Salvador, and the rest of our dedicated team, I extend heartfelt congratulations to all our esteemed awardees.
And we are very, very thankful, hindi lang thankful, grateful na, of course, hindi lang relationship, wag niyo isipin na ibang relationship ha. Good relationship po. Thank you so much po and have a great day.